Think reinstalling Steam will fix error 138? Wrong. The solution is usually in your connection settings. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Steam's error code 138 blocks access to the store or community. While it looks like a major outage, it's usually caused by DNS issues, firewall restrictions, or cached data. In this guide, we will show you quick steps to refresh your connection and restore Steam access. Method 1. Check firewall or antivirus settings. Error 138 often occurs when your firewall or antivirus blocks Steam's web components. To fix that, allow Steam through your security software. Here is how to do it. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game.exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Check the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check if it is loading properly. Add exceptions for Steam and related files like this: Steam Web Helper.exe, Game Overlay UI.exe, Steam Service.exe. Save changes and restart Steam. You can also temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test. Method 2. Check Steam server status. Sometimes error 138 is caused by Steam servers being down. To fix that, check the server status. Here is how to do it. Visit steamstat.us. See if servers are down in your region. If servers are offline, wait until they are restored. Method 3. Flush Steam download cache. Corrupted cache files may block Steam's network access. To fix that, clear the download cache. Here is how to do it. Open Steam, then head to Settings. Go to Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, restart Steam and log in again. Method 4. Repair library folders. Error 138 can also come from corrupted game files. To fix that, repair your library folders. Here is how to do it. Open Steam, then open Settings. Next, select Storage. Then click on the three dots next to the drive, then select the Repair Library option. Method 5. Update DNS settings. Incorrect DNS can block Steam's connection. To fix that, switch to a public DNS. Here is how to do it. Open Control Panel, then go to Network and Sharing Center. Select your internet connection, then Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4, then Properties. From Use the following DNS server address section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Save changes and restart your PC. Method 6. Reset network settings. Network misconfigurations may trigger error 138. To fix that, reset your network. Here is how to do it. Open Settings, then head to Network and Internet. Go to Advanced Network Settings, then select Network Reset. Then Reset Now. Restart your PC after the reset. Method 7. Reinstall Steam. If none of the methods shown could fix the Steam error, reinstall Steam. A fresh installation can fix the problem. To reinstall Steam, follow these steps. Enter Control Panel in the Windows Start menu and press Enter. Click on the Programs and Features option. A list of installed programs will appear. Locate Steam on the listed applications and right-click on it. Select the Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall the Steam from your computer. After the uninstallation finishes, go to the Steam official website and download the Steam installer. Install Steam using its installation wizard. Now try downloading a file using Steam and check whether the slow download persists. Steam's error code 138 may look like a major outage, but it's usually solved with straightforward fixes: flushing DNS, adjusting firewall settings, or clearing cache. Once resolved, you will be back to browsing the store and connecting with the community without interruptions. If this guide helped you fix the error, hit like, subscribe for more proven gaming fixes, and share your Steam troubleshooting stories in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same challenge. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.